Hello guys, today we will talk about differential unit. This video will clear your full concept about differential unit. It is a very important part of tractor and cars. This video will clear your theory concept as well as give you a practical view. So let's start. Differential unit is a special arrangement of gears to permit one of the rear wheels of the tractor to rotate slower or faster than the other. While turning the tractor on a curved path, the inner wheel has to travel lesser distance than the outer wheel. The inner wheel requires lesser power than the outer wheel. This condition is fulfilled by differential unit, which permits one of the rear wheels of the tractor to move faster than the other at the turning point. The output shaft coming from the gearbox is provided with a bevel pinion at the end of the shaft. The bevel pinion is enmeshed with a large bevel wheel known as crown wheel. The main functions of crown wheel assembly are transmit power through right angle drive to switch the tractor wheels to reduce the speed of rotation, and the differential unit consists of mainly differential casing, differential pinion, crown wheels, half shaft and bevel gear. And if we talk about differential lock is a device to join both the half axle of the tractor, so that even if one wheel is under less resistance, the tractor comes out from the mud, etc. as both wheels move with the same speed and apply equal traction. Thank you.